Hello. Last time I gave you a sheet of grammar test. Today I give you the answers to the test. The first one, the first sentence. John saw you choose who and whom. John saw last week. So which one you choose? Now the answer is you choose whom. You have the word saw. After the word saw, you should choose whom, not who. Remember, after this verb, you choose whom. The second sentence. The second sentence. Our politicians want to change. Which one you choose? Affect change or effect change? Now there is a usage, use, effect. These go together. To, effect, change. This is a little harder to explain why you use effect and not affect. But just remember, this is a common usage. To effect change. This means to cause change. Suppose you have something going on in the regular way, but now you think it is not a good way to do things, so you want to change it to some new way of doing things. Then you use the word to effect change, to cause, to make some change, all right? To make some change. Yeah, that's what it means. The third question. Did you see the books I bought her? That or which? Which one you use? Of course, the that represents the books. Which also represents the books. But which word do you choose? You choose that. The reason you choose that is according to the meaning. The books I bought her. What books you bought her? Of course, there are certain special books, not every kind of book. No, it's a special kind of book. Maybe it's a textbook of English. So you bought some English textbooks and for her. So that's some kind of special books. If the book is not any book, you have to use that. So this third question, books that I bought her. That means certain special books, not any books. Okay. The next one, number 4. Neither of us intelligent enough. Are or is. Which one do you choose? You need to understand neither of us. Neither of us means not one of us. No one among us. Okay. So suppose us represents 5 people. Among the 5 people, no one is more clever, is intelligent enough. So no one, because you are talking about no one, so you use is. You do not use are, okay? It's just one of us, so it is. Number 5. Whose, which one you choose? Now this one, you need to know what this represents. Who apostrophe s represents who is. And in this sentence, who is not the choice. Yeah? Who is bag is that? That's not right. So you choose whose. Yeah. This means who is, which is not correct. So you choose whose. Next one, number 6. I wish I studied harder. Which you choose? Which do you choose? Okay. This sentence, obviously that you are doing an exam and you did very poorly. So you regret very much. You regret that the last week or last month, I did not study hard. Therefore, today, I did very poorly in my exam. So you regret something. This is what which represent. I regret. I did not study hard before. In this case, you use had studied. Had, you don't use this. So the rule is that if you have a wish, you use had studied. This is past tense and it is perfect tense. Yeah, past perfect. So after wish, you write this way. Okay. Number 7. Number 7. I think I need down and rest. Do you use lay or lie? It's obvious that this sentence means I am very tired. I'm very tired. I don't want to do any work because I'm tired. So I like to take a break, or I like to sit on the sofa or in the couch and I rest. Which one do you use? You use lie, not lay, because they have different meaning. Lie, you lie down and rest. Lie down. Use this, lie down. If you use lay, that this is a sentence. Lay the baby in the bed. Lay means you put something to somewhere. So in this case, you put the baby in the bed. Yeah. Lay, you put something. Lie is not to put something. Yeah. So that's the difference between lie and lay. Next sentence, number 8. You can stand between where and I, or where and me. So the important word to look for is between. After the word between, you cannot use I, you have to use me. Between where and me. It is because you have the word between. So just remember that. Between, you use me. Okay? Between, you use me. Okay. Number 9, I want people in my kitchen. There are too many people in my kitchen, so I want not so many people. Which one you choose? There is a difference between these two words, fewer and less. The difference depends on the next word, people. So in this case, you choose fewer, not less. The word people tells you that this noun, this word, you can count how many people. If this word is countable, you can count how many people, or 5 people, or 6 people, 10 people. If you can count the number, you use fewer, not less. In other words, if you cannot count something after this word, if you cannot count, you use less. Okay? That's the difference. The last sentence, 10, to were you talking? To who were you talking? To whom were you talking? So this word, the choice of these two words, you look at the word before it, to. After to, you cannot use who, you have to use whom. This is somewhat similar to the first question. Let me go back to the first question. The first question is saw. Because these two words is after the word saw, then you use whom. Saw whom. Okay. And the last sentence, to. To whom. Okay. If I mention some grammar words, then to is a preposition. After preposition, you have to use whom, not who. Okay. All right. So that is the answer to the 10 questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, next lesson. Goodbye.